Hey fam, it's your boy Andrew from Carpet One, and we're back for another flooring truth bomb. You know what we're going to talk about today? Laminate flooring. Now, laminate was super popular back in the day, in the 1990s, and it's coming back. There's a lot of great reasons why you might consider laminate for your next floor. What is laminate? Laminate is a floating floor, which means it's clicked together, and it is usually a HDF or high density fiberboard core with a laminate top. A very strong wear layer put on top. What are some advantages to laminate? Well, it's typically lower cost than a hardwood. It's very scratch resistant. In terms of scratch resistance, laminate's probably the best. I know that everybody loves vinyl plank right now, but I think that laminate outperforms vinyl when it comes to scratching. So if you've got a busy household, pets, kids, you might want to give laminate a quick look. It's easy to maintain, just needs vacuuming, sweeping, and occasionally damp mopping, you know, with the flat mop. One of those things that I harp on all the time, but it's the simple fact that you don't need to be mopping your laminate floor. You probably don't need to be mopping many floors, actually. A lot of clients over-maintain their floor, but especially with laminate, we don't want to be mopping it. There's a lot of different great visuals with laminate. Often, it looks like this one, with kind of a wood look, but you can also get tile-looking laminates as well. Good stain resistance and good fade resistance, too. So when that sun is south-facing windows, it doesn't tend to fade laminate like it can with some other types of flooring. Those are the positives. Now, the negatives that a lot of people will talk to me about or ask about with laminate is moisture resistance, because the laminates of yesteryear tended to swell when they had spills on them. Modern laminates are quite water resistant, which means most laminates, the ones that are here around me, have 72 hours water resistance warranty. So that has become less of a concern. It's still important, if you have a laminate floor, to maintain the humidity in your home, because laminate will expand and contract with changes in humidity. So that's the attributes of laminate that you need to consider. It's not refinishable, so it's not like hardwood where you can go in and sand it and reapply a finish. That can never happen with laminate. Again, not that big a deal because this finish is so tough. It's really, really hard to scratch laminate. Another disadvantage to laminate is the sound and feel. So the best way I can describe that is kind of that hollow, echoey sound that can happen with a floating floor. It can be a little bit difficult to repair laminate if you do get a piece of board that's damaged in the middle of the room. It's not like a glue down floor where we could just, you know, pull that board up and stick a new one down. They're all clicked together, and so oftentimes if you have a repair that needs to be done, we need to unclick in order to get access to that particular board. Again, not as big of a consideration, simply because laminate is so hard to damage. I mean, you really have to work hard to scratch it. Anyway, that's some of the pros and cons of laminate floor. If you want to see more, you can always check things out here at our showroom across from Best Buy in Southpoint Common. See you next time.